you still doing cursive letters like this? Then, in this video tutorial, I will show you how to create cursive worksheets the easy way. So be sure to watch till the very end of this video. So first of all, I just want you to know, those who are following my page Post and Toast VA, that account is currently restricted. A lot also are commenting via my YouTube channel about what happened to my Facebook page. I'm still on appeal on
Oh
Facebook, but hopefully that will be back sooner. So I created another page, so hopefully you will still give me a follow so I can continue sharing tips and tutorials. So I will be using ChatGPT and Canva here. You can also use your free accounts. Just click on create an image and add your prompt. So if you want a prompt I use here, comment down prompt, then click this button and wait. And there you go. So what we are aiming here is to do A to Z letters. So let's do another one. Make sure to emphasize the same design but for letter B. Every time you generate, just change the letter. And there you go. Don't forget to download this. Then go to Canva and add all your generated images. If you want to print this, go to the share button, click on download, click on PDF print, and download it. If you want to share your design, especially for those who want to sell digital products, click on the share button, click on template link, and copy the link. But if you're using a free Canva account, you can't use this feature. But I have a full tutorial on how you can get a template link even if you're in a free Canva account. So comment down Canva tutorial if you want the link. Also, if any one of you wants this template, comment down Canva template and I'll share with you the link. So there you go. I hope this helps. Don't forget to follow my page for more. See you in my next video. Bye!